Latvia had lost a fifth of its output in just 2 years, 2008-2009, after a period of overheating, totally out of control economic perspectives. At the time, unemployment rose above 20% and double this among the young people. Poverty increased and people from all walks of life endured suffering. Of that, it's clearly the fact that you were able to issue bonds.
Bet jāsaka, ka lielā mērā tā ir finanšu un ekonomiskā krīze atsevišķās Eirozonas valstīs, un tā nav tik daudz eiro kā valūtas krīze. Tā kā no šī viedokļa es domāju, ka Eirozona pašreiz tiešām pieņem nepieciešamos lēmumus, lai nodrošinātu finansiālo stabilitāti Eirozonā, un līdz ar to Latvija varēs arī pievienoties.
My sense is that all Eurozone countries should also have that sense of a journey, of the fact that productivity is not a given, that standards of living are not to be taken for granted, and that all of that requires efforts. But clearly, one distinctive factor in the case of Latvia was the fact that it had a low public debt to begin with, relative to the public debt levels that we see in some of these other countries that we are trying to help at the moment. That's clearly a distinctive factor as far as Europe is concerned.
This kind of an economic debt.
Lielajā virves vilkšanas pasākumā, kas sauc